everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign out of your Lululemon account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, make sure that you're inside the lululemon.com homepage. If you want to sign out of your account, go ahead and mouse over to the My Account tab at the top right, in which you will be able to see an expanded menu. Click the sign out option and you will be redirected to the main sign-in page, which means you have successfully logged out of the platform. Remember that before logging out of your account, you must remember your credentials that you chose while signing up for Lululemon, so that you can get back to it whenever you want. So that's how easy it is to sign out of your Lululemon account within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.